Hey everyone! Welcome to our guide on building a profitable niche site. I'm Gabriel Walim, and I'm excited to share my knowledge with you. Today we'll show you how to create a site that can earn over $1,000 a month within the first year. As an SEO consultant with 4 years of experience, I've helped many niche site owners achieve their financial goals. So, are you ready to start building your online empire? Let's dive in. So, what exactly is a niche site, you might be wondering? Well, it's simpler than you think. Imagine a website entirely dedicated to one specific topic. That's a niche site in a nutshell. It's a website that caters to a specific audience or topic. Now, this topic can be anything that interests people. Are you passionate about health and wellness? Then create a niche site about healthy living. Does the world of business and finance fascinate you? Build a site around investment strategies or personal finance tips. It can be about relationships, travel, food, fashion, animals, you name it. The beauty of a niche site is that it allows you to target a specific group of people with shared interests. This focused approach makes it easier to attract a loyal audience and ultimately monetize your website. Let me give you an example. Suppose you love gardening and know everything about growing tomatoes. You could create a niche site dedicated entirely to growing the perfect tomato. By focusing on this specific aspect of gardening, you attract a targeted audience of tomato enthusiasts eager to learn from your expertise. The key takeaway here is that a niche site thrives on specialization. Instead of trying to be everything to everyone, you focus on one area and become the go-to resource for that particular topic. So start brainstorming your passions and interests. What unique knowledge can you share with the world through your niche site? Now let's unravel the mystery behind how niche affiliate sites actually make money. Imagine this. You've created a fantastic website about hiking gear, filled with reviews and comparisons of the best hiking boots on the market. A visitor stumbles upon your site while searching for their next pair of hiking boots. They love your in-depth review of a particular boot and click on a link you've provided to purchase it from Amazon. That link is an affiliate link. Niche affiliate websites work by promoting other companies' products or services through their content. When a visitor clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It's like being rewarded for recommending great products to your audience. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that you don't have to create your products or deal with customer service. You're essentially connecting your audience with the products they're looking for and earning a commission for facilitating that sale. Let's go back to our hiking boots example. Let's say you've partnered with an outdoor gear company as an affiliate. You write a comprehensive blog post reviewing their latest hiking boots, highlighting their features, benefits, and your personal experience using them. Within your blog post, you include your unique affiliate link to that specific product on the company's website. When a reader finds your article, loves your recommendation, and clicks on your affiliate link to purchase the boots, you earn a commission on that sale. Remember, the success of a niche affiliate site relies on providing valuable content that genuinely helps your audience make informed purchase decisions. I'm sure you're curious about the earning potential of a niche affiliate site. And let's be honest, that's a big motivator for many. Now, I won't promise you'll be a millionaire overnight, but with the right approach, building a profitable niche site is achievable. The truth is, earnings from a niche affiliate site can vary widely, and there's no magic formula for instant success. It depends on several factors, and understanding these factors is crucial for setting realistic expectations. First and foremost, choosing the right niche plays a significant role in your earning potential. Some niches are more profitable than others, depending on the demand for products or services within that niche. For example, niches like finance, health, and technology tend to have higher earning potential due to the high value of products and services in those industries. Secondly, building your site correctly from the start is essential. This includes creating high-quality content that ranks well in search engines, optimizing your website for conversions, and building a strong brand presence. The more effort you invest in building a professional and trustworthy website, the higher your earning potential will be. While it's difficult to give you an exact figure for potential earnings, it's not uncommon for niche affiliate sites to earn anywhere from a few $100s to several $1,000s per month within their first year. As your site grows in authority and traffic, your earning potential increases exponentially. By choosing the right niche, building a high-quality website, and consistently putting in the effort, you'll be well on your way to achieving your financial goals. Chapter 4. Step 1. Choose the right niche. Alright, let's dive into the first step in building your profitable niche site, choosing the right niche. This step is absolutely crucial because it lays the foundation for everything else. It's like choosing the right plot of land before building your dream home. You want to make sure it's in a desirable location with the potential for growth. Now, when selecting a niche, there are two main factors to consider: your passion and its profitability. Ideally, you want to choose a niche that you're genuinely interested in and that has the potential to generate income. Why is it so important to choose a niche you're passionate about? Well, building a successful niche site takes time and effort. You'll be creating content, researching keywords, and promoting your site. If you're not passionate about your niche, it will feel like a chore, and you'll likely lose motivation along the way. On the other hand, if you're passionate about your niche, it won't feel like work. You'll be excited to share your knowledge, research new topics, and connect with your audience. This passion will shine through in your content, making it more engaging and enjoyable for your readers. While passion is important, it's also crucial to choose a niche with earning potential. When evaluating the profitability of a niche, consider the demand for products or services within that niche. Look for niches with a high volume of searches, active online communities, and a variety of affiliate programs offering competitive commissions. The key is to find a balance between your passion and profitability. Choose a niche that genuinely excites you and has the potential to generate a sustainable income. Chapter 5. Step 2. Find the right keywords. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to move on to Step 2. Finding the right keywords. Keyword research is the process of discovering what your target audience is searching for on Google and other search engines. Think of keywords as the bridge connecting your website with your ideal audience. When someone types a query into Google, the search engine's algorithm analyzes those keywords to determine the most relevant and valuable content to display in the search results. By understanding the keywords your target audience is using, you can optimize your website's content to rank higher in search results, driving more organic traffic to your site. Effective keyword research involves identifying relevant keywords with a decent search volume and a balance of competition. Your chosen keywords should be highly relevant to your niche and the content you create. For example, if your niche is plant-based cooking, your keywords should revolve around vegan recipes, plant-based meal planning, and other related topics. Search volume indicates how many people are searching for a particular keyword each month. Higher search volume generally means more potential traffic to your website. However, it also often means higher competition for those keywords. The key is to find a sweet spot keywords that are relevant to your niche, have a decent search volume, and aren't overly competitive. This balance ensures that your content reaches the right audience and has a good chance of ranking well in search results. There are several keyword research tools available, both free and paid, that can help you identify valuable keywords for your niche. Chapter 6. Step 3. Build your site. Now that you've chosen your niche and identified your target keywords, it's time for the exciting part: building your website. Don't worry, you don't need to be a tech wizard to create a professional-looking website. The first step is to choose a domain name, which is your website's address on the internet. Your domain name should be memorable, easy to spell, and relevant to your niche. Once you've secured your domain name, you'll need to choose a hosting provider. Hosting is essentially the service that stores your website's files and makes them accessible to visitors on the internet. For beginners, a shared hosting plan is a cost-effective option that provides sufficient resources for a new website. With your domain name and hosting sorted, you can install a content management system, CMS, like WordPress. WordPress is a user-friendly platform that allows you to create and manage your website's content without any coding knowledge. When designing your website, prioritize a clean and user-friendly layout that is easy to navigate. Use high-quality images and videos to make your content more engaging. Remember, your website is your online storefront, so make a good first impression. Thank you for watching our guide on building a profitable niche site. Remember, consistency is key. Keep producing high-quality content and building reputable links, and you'll see your traffic and earnings grow over time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on making your niche site a success. Now go out there and start building your online empire.